Let's we talk about tax. Justice Holmes of US Supreme Court has said, tax is the price we pay for the civilization. In simple word, tax is nothing but money that people have to pay to the government. Main source of government revenue is taxation. Tax is divided into two parts, direct tax and indirect tax. Example of direct tax are income tax, wealth tax, etc. Example of indirect tax are central excise duty, service tax, VAT, etc. Now the difference between direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax. Burden of direct tax payer is borne by the person himself. Then indirect tax. Burden of tax shifted to another person. Number 2. Direct tax. Tax on income, wealth, property. Example, income tax, wealth tax, property tax. Indirect tax. Tax on goods and services. Example, GST tax on goods like mobile phones, TV, etc. Services like telephone services by MTNL. Number third, direct tax. Progressive in nature, person pay more when income is more. Example, rate of income tax on income between 3 lakh to 5 lakh is 5% and 10 lakh 20 and above 10 lakh 30%. Then indirect tax base. Wider tax base, tax is borne by the crores of consumers. Number 5, direct tax, not inflationary. Direct tax is not inflationary. Indirect tax, inflationary. Indirect tax is imposed on commodity and services and causes all round price spiral. For example, rate of tax on tea is increased from 5% to 10%. Tea of rupee 20 plus 5% tax means total cost is at rupee 21. At the rate of 10%, the total cost is 20 plus 2. It become rupee 22 increase in cost.